guys, so we are here with another video of unboxing for Toreba stuff. I'm really sick, so I'm gonna keep my face mask on for this video because Cameron doesn't want to get sick. Yay me, right? Yay me. Yeah. Anyway, so we made it faster this time by already unboxing it. So we have cut them open, but we don't know completely what's in here, sort of. Considering we won things already, so we know what that is. Yeah. So let's start with Cameron's box first. Yeah.
So we got a yakitori maker.
Ooh, food for us. Except for we don't yet like yakitori.
You can make anything in it.
That's true.
You can do veggies. There's a picture of the veggies, and shrimp.
You know, it's funny. We got this that like makes food, except for the fact that Cameron doesn't cook. So
You make
yeah.
waffles.
How can you make waffles? It's so small.
You just pour the dough on top, and then you just gotta figure out how you're gonna flip it over.
You gotta figure it out. Well, no, because those waffle things have the compressor.
Yeah, because it cooks. It's two hot plates.
Exactly. This is only one. It's not gonna work.
You gotta figure out.
Look, there's even a squid on it, or an octopus, so you know that it's like you can't really see it. Forget it. So that's item number 1. You can tell that when Cameron plays Toreba, he just kind of
Plays for anything.
wins anything. I win things that I like and I want. Cameron wins things that we don't need.
I win the expensive things.
The size of me.
Albedo.
Albedo. She looks pretty hot, but I kind of don't like the fact that it's only on one side and not the other. Yeah.
Yeah, that should be a naked one.
Yeah, the other side's just flat. I mean, not bad considering what do you expect out of a crane machine, so.
It's
My
not,
size!
it's not yours.
I can have her, she's not naked.
It's not yours. This one's probably my favorite thing so far, besides the Pikachu blow-up chair that we got last time.
You got a Pikachu blow-up chair?
Yeah. Speakers.
Cameron got speakers.
Hold them up the right way. Speakers. While she opens her box, I'll figure it out how to work it.
No, we'll test them in a minute.
It's not in English.
Yeah, the instructions that come with everything are all in Japanese. And we have no idea how to work half of those things, so we're just like testing everything out. Oh well. Anyway, moving on. Now we are moving on to my box. Yay! Okay, so I'm very happy because most of these I've actually won on my own. I got Animal Crossing stuff. This is a shiny pocket watch that you guys can't really see, but I'm gonna open it. And you can see all the different types. Like these are the backgrounds that are on the different pocket watches. So we have like a winter theme, an autumn theme, spring and summer. I got the summer one, and I also got the autumn one because that's the one I really wanted. And of course they put that one up after I won the summer one, which pissed me off. And they don't spell autumn properly. That says autumn. Here's the summer one. Oh, it's kind of hard to see because it's so shiny, but yeah. Oh, it's cute. Here's the summer one. And it comes with a chain to attach. Anyway, so it's like all the different characters on the beach in the summer. Yeah. Oh, that's annoying that it doesn't focus. I'm so mad. And this one is the autumn one, so it comes with the same charm at the top, but it's like an autumn themed and you can see the sunset. I won something for Cameron, Kingdom Hearts. It's a mystery box, so he gets to open that. And I also won some Disney stuff. So it's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And it's a little glass figure and you can see her eyes are painted on. So these are all the different Disney princesses that you can get. And they all come in different glass colors. So like I said, this one is Belle. She came in like a gold color and her eyes are brown. But then you can see the picture there, she's like not gold. So that really irritates me because some of them turned out really pink and you can't tell what character it is. So I was kind of fighting with that, but I'm glad that I got Belle because she's my favorite. Oh, she's so shiny and cute. See, her eyes are nice and brown. I got my mom this one, which of course it won't focus. It's Snow White. So her eyes, you can even see the light goes like right through it. It's really, really cute, but it's super small. I expected it to be much bigger.
The clip.
Oh, it's Goofy?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No. Mystery box, what do you expect?
Cameron got Kingdom Hearts, so it's a clip that you can like put on stuff. It shows their butt. It's Goofy. Yeah. But obviously he wanted Sora. I'm sorry, I tried. I won it for him though. Mystery box, he didn't even know I got it. This is the last item in my box.
That I won.
Okay, I tried to win it all on my own, and I almost got it. And I almost got it, and then I couldn't get it, so I had to ask Cameron for help. That will be the last time I ask for his help, because he's rude. This is Fate. I think Heaven's Feel, right? Yep. Fate, Heaven's Feel. So this one's Sabers. Ryder's is pink with her like forehead thing, whatever that's going on. Symbol, and thank you. And her blade, and the lines are all pink, like a magenta-ish pink, like her hair. I guess it's kind of purple.
It's purple.
It's like purpley pink, I don't know. Anyway, so this one, it's a cute little backpack, and it's perfect size for me, and it's perfect for cons. Heaven's Feel. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. That's not a pocket. I thought it was, but it's not. No, it's not. Anyway, so that is the last item in my box. I think that's it for our unboxing video. What else? Yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff. We're trying to change it up a little bit considering most of our stuff has been Fate. And Cameron's getting everything else that's not Fate. So we are showing you guys new stuff. And he wants to show off his speakers now. So let's see the quality of these bad boys.
They're pretty quiet.
They're not that loud.
Well, no, I mean like it's on low. I don't want to go loud.
No, the phone's ready.
Roll up to the spot, feeling real good. Think you gon' talk shit, you better not. My homies real hood. They say Logic, why you do that? I don't know. Yeah, they used to be like who that? I don't know.
So they're pretty good for
They're- They're loud, but they're not. There's no bass to it.
a little bit.
Barely. They're not subwoofers. Relax. You
No.
can't put them in the back of your Honda. Take it easy. No, he doesn't drive a Honda.
And don't ever compare it to a Honda.
Anyway, so that is the rest of our unboxing. We have no more for you. Nothing. No more. It's gone. It's over. We have garbage. Don't you just want to slap him? I do. Anyway, so that is the last of our unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed.
For today.
For today. It is the last of our unboxing for today, which means we may have more.
We will have more.
We will have more.
I have two things that just got shipped.
Oh my god, it's never ending.
I know.
I have no space in my room.
I'm buying practical stuff like a yakitori maker.
Practical stuff, because we need a yakitori maker.
And speakers.
You don't need speakers.
Pillows. And
Oh my god.
clothespins.
At least we're gonna have furniture when we're out of the house because like we just get everything from Toriba.
Hey, we don't need clocks, we have pocket watches.
I saw a salad dryer. You know the thing that you put the salad in, you
Oh,
and it,
and a sewing machine. I want a sewing machine.
what the?
For our cosplays.
You don't even know how to sew.
We'll figure it out.
I don't even know how to
It's
sew.
a kid's one, so.
Okay, I guess we're sewing. Anyway, that's for another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. That is the last of this Toriba video, and we will see you guys next time.